Hey everybody, Chaz here. In this video I'm going to be talking about the Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge, and I've discussed this topic of software updates in previous videos, but soon these phones are very likely to be at risk of security issues because these phones are now 4 years old and they are still receiving security updates, but this is very likely to change soon because they're 4 years old. And I'm saying this because since these phones are 4 years old, this means Samsung are unlikely to support them for much longer, because Samsung have basically confirmed that indirectly, for the first 3 years, they will release monthly updates to S and Note series phones, and in the fourth year, and the fourth and final year, they will receive quarterly security updates. So here on Samsung's page for Galaxy Enterprise Edition phones, it says here that Samsung Knox makes the Galaxy Enterprise Edition smartphones secure, and with 4 years of firmware updates, either monthly or quarterly. And the S7 and S7 Edge have got some 4 years of security updates now. But below in the smaller text it says 4 years from first global market launch. S series, Note series, A50 and Xcover 4S updates are monthly for the first 3 years, and then quarterly for the fourth and final year. Alright, so this essentially confirmed that the year Samsung provided the S7 and S7 Edge for quarterly security updates, so from March last year to March now, was the final year for updates. So in other words, Samsung have confirmed that the S7 and S7 Edge will likely not stay on for long because they've had 4 years of updates and the fourth year was their final year. So the S7 and S7 Edge are very likely to be dropped very, very soon because these phones have been around for 4 years now. Now, this is a real shame because the S7 and S7 Edge were great phones, and it's a shame they didn't get Pi last year because I'd really have liked to have seen these phones get updated to Pi as they could clearly run them. They were capable of doing so, but it was a good thing Samsung carried on support for these phones with quarterly security updates last year. Considering the S6, S6 Edge, and S6 Edge Plus didn't get the fourth year, that support ended in 2018, 3 years after their launch instead of 4. So it was kind of good Samsung provides extra support for the S7. And also it is likely the S8 and S8 Plus will move on to quarterly updates soon, which really disappoints me because these phones are still good phones and would have ran great on Android 10, but they ended up not getting it and won't get it, which annoys me, but it's good to see Samsung will be supporting the device for longer than we initially expected. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to be notified each time I upload. Anyways, have a good day. See you next time, and goodbye.